Leadership is the ability to motivate people to act for change and the capacity to influence them to stay motivated by exhibition of strong character while working with them. People from Port Harcourt, from Yali Network, are there some insights you have gotten that you want to implement when you go back? Yes. Good. So what have I exhibited? Leadership. But it is not enough to motivate people to act for change. You must have the capacity to keep them motivated. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
So to be a leader is not just any person that motivates people. I will tell you why I made this definition. But you must also have the capacity to keep the motivated people motivated. And how do you keep them motivated? You as a leader must continue to exhibit strong character while working with them. How many of you, while growing up, in any stage of your life, have looked up to a particular leader from afar and you have made him your role model? But the time you have an opportunity to come close, you see that it's just packaged. And you tell yourself, God forbid, now this one the leader, now leader not to follow. Any person with charisma can motivate anybody. What is the purpose of leadership? Leadership has just one purpose throughout the globe and is the same across sectors, religion and culture. The purpose of leadership is to inspire change. Self-leadership is the first level of leadership. Let me tell you, if we are going somewhere in a strange place, we are saying, what is this road? What is this road? And you just see a strange person you do not know, walking very serious, as if he's very sure of where he's going, and he's going like this. Very soon everybody will follow him.
Yes, I tell you.
Why? Do you know him before? Leading himself. He's leading himself. That is the first thing that will motivate you to follow him. So the first stage of leadership is self-leadership. The ability to lead yourself. The ability to set goals for yourself and smash it. Let me give you an example of self-leadership. You said 6. There are some people who, when it was 6, they came here to sit down. Nobody called them to come. Yeah. But there are some people that will sit down and be saying sorry, then check the time. You will now call them, insult them, and force them before they go. That person who does not wait for anybody to remind him that it's time is a self-leader. The next one is positional leadership. That is the weakest form of leadership. The leadership that is bestowed on you by the virtue of your position. Let me give you a quickest example. When you came in the first place, the only thing that makes you to listen to me because you saw that I am the organizer. True or false? True. And why the way I will act between now and that time will either make me lose respect or gain respect from you, right?
Yeah.
So positional leadership is the leadership that comes to you when you are on power, like the governor, you are a chairman. Positional leadership is bestowed on you by rights. Permissional leadership, it is bestowed on you by choice. People sometimes permit you to lead them. So whenever you are leading people, don't misuse the opportunity. The next one is production leadership, bestowed upon you by results. Oga, to get the kind of result where you go carry, people must follow. There are some people that are not your friends because it is convenient. They are your friend because of results. Oga, there are some people that patronize you. They don't patronize you because they like you. It is two things. Either they patronize you because of your production value or because of your nuisance value. Results. Many people that associate with you, they associate with you because if you stand up and say, this man, get him down, they will get him down. So the only way is to associate with you. That's nuisance value. That's result too. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
That is production leadership. You started from self-leadership, right? You got to positional leadership. You can only sustain that position for a long time. If you now upgrade yourself, now that you have gotten position as an ESCO of ILA or ESCO of Ibuzo, ESCO of Yali Network, you can only sustain that leadership and even have more respect and become a leader after that time if you upgrade to what? Permissional leadership. Nelson Mandela did one term and step aside. And they begged him, say no, but let me tell you, by default, he led till he died. You must understand that when they give you position to limelight, don't misuse it. Grow yourself into a leader that people will permit themselves to follow you. Without improving into permissional leadership, you cannot sustain positional leadership. When people permit you to be their leader, if you stop giving them results, they will leave you. Yes. The next one is people development. People development bestowed upon you by influence. That is another level of leadership. There are some people that will post, they will use their hand to share the post in 1,000 groups. Nothing will fear. People go say, watch out, nobody go follow. But there are some people that will just put Wahala Day. Insta blog go carry am. Aisha Yusuf will say Wahala Day. What could be the problem? Yaba left go carry am. Nigeria anticipates Wahala as Aisha Yusuf cries out. Many blogs will now begin to carry it. You know why? Influence. Somebody say influence. Influence. You must continue to produce results until when you are not doing anything, your market is selling. The last one is pinnacle of leadership. This leadership is driven or based on principles and respect. There are some people that inspire you without saying a word, that have been teaching you without saying a word, by just body language. How many of you know Fela Durotoye personally? How many of you respect him? How many of you make sure that you follow the principles that he teaches? What is guiding you? Respect and principles. That level when you have become an authority, that your action is now law. What are the fundamentals of leadership? These are the things that will make you grow from one level of leadership to another. 1, emotional intelligence. There are 5 components of emotional intelligence. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is man know thyself. There is one adage my mother used to tell me. I did not understand. I used to think that it's a stupid adage until I grew. It was an adage in Broken Palace. He said, know yourself, know because. Self-awareness, you must know whether you are temperamental or cool-tempered. There are some people, it is not their intention to be rude. But once they open their mouth, only bitter. Not that he wants to scatter the meeting, but if he talks, the meeting will scatter. Once you know yourself, you can go to the next component of emotional intelligence, self-control. After self-awareness, self-control. Self-awareness will help you to have self-control. Because it is until you know that you are a temperamental person, that when your temper is rising, you can calm down. If you know me 6 years ago, have you seen me angry before? How many people? Okay. Okay, some people are listening. It's not funny. You understand? I worked in an office where I get how many reasons to get mad. And people who know me say, wow, so now you person they talk like this, you keep quiet. Not be saying no, they vex me. The temper never come out. It's still there, is my weak point. I'm all temper. But I've known that I'm all temper. The day when madman knows say he's a grace, the madness don't
you don't well.
When you know yourself, you will control yourself. Looking beyond their smile to know their pain, empathy. Relating with them, knowing how to support them when they are in challenges, empathy. How confident are your followers when they want to relate sensitive matters about themselves to you? The next one is values and principles. It never lies. It is constant. They don't fake it. Values and principles. Examples of value: integrity, consistency, punctuality, impartiality, objectivity. These things are value. This one is your friend. So because he's your friend and he's having problem with this ESCO, he must be right. Who told you so? Over time, many leaders, they don't research, they disagree. Later, all of their calls say, not true. Not true you talk, my brother. Just leave on like that. Right? That is principles. Values with proofs. The third one is authenticity and originality. When I announced my bootcamp in 2019, a lot of young people running organizations started doing bootcamp. Originality makes you consistent. Authenticity. Don't pretend to be what you are not. Don't pretend to know what you don't know. They should know you for something. That one where you have an authority. Ugaga will say, I am the African Premium Kids Coach. Yes. I teach kids leadership and etiquette. He will not compete with you to be a motivational speaker or a business coach. He tell you now the children, and if you see him teaching children, sometimes he lie on the ground, I would imagine myself, I go tell like that for ground, they teach people again. You fake it, you will fail. The next one is impact. Another fundamental of leadership. Leadership is useless without impact. I'm just the leader. I'm leader of this world. You know I'm leader of it. And you are so useless. No impact coming from it. You must impact. See, let me tell you, one of the ways to appraise yourself. Set goals for yourself and occasionally ask yourself, how many of them have I achieved? How am I impacting the life of my people? The purpose of leadership is to create change. The change is impact. The next one is charisma. You must have likability. As they see you, everybody wants to see. There are some guys, when they enter environment, you think they are in a place where they want to learn. They just mingle with people. You don't know it's the one that is speaking, but everybody just like him. They want to communicate with him. They want to collect his number. He's doing it. They shock you. When they call him and they come out from this thing and go, he say, wow, I thought as much. Electrifying charisma. Package yourself small. You believe that you come for public, now you be the comedian one day, the leader. The next one is communication. No matter how valuable your vision is, if you cannot communicate it to people to run with it, it is useless. Some people have plans, and only they know the plan. And you are working with a team. And you say, how far with that project now? You say, I'm working on something. Communication. The next one is respect. Right. There are some people, when you give them small opportunity, they don't respect people again. There are some guys here that have dangerous millions in their accounts. As they are sitting here.
Yes, sir.
Dangerous millions. There are some people here. If you come to their own area, they are generals. Generals controlling things. But because they come here and sit down and listen to you, you think you are Jagaba, you can talk to them anyhow. God will not punish you. You must respect people. Bring yourself down to them. Show them respect. They want to talk to you. Hello, you listen to them. Oh, give them attention. Make them feel good. The next one is trust. As a leader, your people must trust you. Do you know that I'm the only DG that give accounts at will? If they don't trust me and they are afraid of me, they will let me have my way, but they will not come to this bootcamp because they are feeling disrespected. A leader is that one who takes responsibility for faults, errors, and mistakes, and allow the team to take glory for good things that came out. Finally, consistency. One of the components of leadership. There are people they tell you, they will tell you, I've been looking at you. When you go to a place, you think the person does not know you. I've been following you for the past 3 years. And I'm only discussing with you. In short, if you're not consistent, I will not even allow you to see you. Keep it up. Right? My boss I work with is a politician. He was one of the persons that graced our opening last time. He was the chairman this time, but he had some assignment I could not come. As the program was going on, I could not check my phone. After the program in the evening, I went upstairs and I looked. He posted last year's picture. He said, this time last year, it happened. As I'm talking to you, this program is ongoing. Consistency is key. Wow. That's awesome.